Hello, I'm Muttonstyle and I am doing an unboxing today of Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix has been in the US for quite a number of years now and it's recently come to the UK. I have got my second box. I'll link the first one for you. But if you're familiar with the US Stitch Fix, you will recognise the box. I haven't opened it, I don't know what's inside it. It is a subscription box, but you can order just a random box. And from what I can understand as well, if say you wanted to just have a collection of jeans, you could order a box of jeans. And honestly, that just takes the hassle out of shopping, doesn't it? But I have just got a random selection of items here. When you do a sign up, you get to provide some details about your sizing, colouring, and you tick outfit ideas and sort of what's your look and so on. And they also do say that you can provide your Pinterest, so they can see the sort of types of things that you like on, you like in your collections on Pinterest. You get a discount if you buy all of it. You have 3 days in order to decide what you want to keep or send back. You can send it all back, and what you don't keep, you just send back. You pay for it once you've decided what you're keeping, but there is a £10 styling fee, which gets deducted from anything you keep. I will have a code below, so if you wanted to sign up for a box, you can use the code and that will give you a discount. I think it's 15. But let's open up the box. So inside the box you get a returns plastic envelope, and you can return all of it. You don't have to keep any of it at all. There's no requirement to keep it all or keep any of it. There's an envelope with some details in that will tell you, there's 2 pieces of paper in here. One is your invoice. It tells you what you've got, what your styling charge is. And there's also a card of outfit styling ideas. I'm not going to look at this. You can look at it. But it tells you basically what they send, which is the middle item, and then ideas for styling. But I like the surprise, so I haven't looked at that. And then inside you also get your fit, which comes in one bundle like, oh, that looks exciting. Oh, I can see burgundy and leopard print. And yellow. Oh, I'm excited. Anyway, you get your bundle like that, just like in the US, they get the bundle like that. So, I do hope the leopard print and the burgundy and the yellow fits me. I do. I think they've done quite well on this one. I say without even actually having looked really carefully. My first impressions. So, what have I got? What have I got here? Where did I put it all? Right. Oh, jewels. Oh, you won't have jewels. I think you can get jewels in the US online. That's pretty. Oh, do you know, in jewels, I have such difficulty getting my colour because it's normally sort of a baby pink and a baby blue and colours that aren't really my colour. I have got a few things from jewels, but they're very few and far between. I managed to get my colour in there. But that is my colour. Look, it's green and white, olive and white stripes and pretty flowers. I like that. Yes, I really like this top. Definitely my colouring with the olive in it and the slightly ivory white. Done very well. They've taken notice of the fact that I'm a warm colouring. Yeah, it's a good fit around. This one's definitely a keeper. I would definitely get multi-year use out of that. This is the leopard print. This, I think, is a dress by a brand called Soaked. I've not heard of Soaked. It's a wrap dress. That's nice. I like that. I hope. So, husband's here. We're discussing this dress. Both agree it's perfect shape for me, perfect length, perfect fit, and my thing being animal print. My issue is that it's chiffony, which is going to be too hot on a hot summer's day.
We don't get many of those over here. This is England for.
But also it's not going to be warm enough for the cooler days that we do get more of. And so my question then, John, am I going to get £74.99 worth out of it, wear out of it?
I'd say so. I mean, I think it's very flattering on you. I think it's nice and sort of floating. and I believe you'd definitely get your money's worth out of it. You know, I mean, take it on holiday.
Would I wear it on a warm evening in the UK? Yes. September time, you can often get September through to November. Yeah, I might. But yeah, I mean, I don't think this dress will age. I think it will mature with me.
Yeah.
So I will get multi-year use out of it.
And I'm spring and autumn more here.
Yep.
Fall for our American cousins.
Yeah.
But I reckon you're definitely going to get your money's worth. Because quite frankly, you look great in it.
So it looks like this is going to be a keep. Oh. This looks very jewelsy. Oh, it's warehouse. It's got the cold shoulders. I'll have to try it on. It's got a gap at the back as well, actually there. I think this would suit me. This is a nice colour and so on. I am just a little bit over cold shoulder, and also I think it's a younger shape. I'm being middle-aged, upper end of middle-aged. I'm thicker around here, and so I think this is designed for a more youthful body shape than mine. But I like it, and the colouring I like actually. It does. I think it's good on me. It took a while to get into it, I've got to say, with all this here and this here as well. I don't know that and these buttons aren't terribly easy. These elastic buttons. It takes a lot of patience to get into it. There. Anyway, it's a pretty blouse though. So this is, what did I say it was? I think I said this is warehouse. So it's currently available in warehouse if you're interested in it. Sorry about the bra. I'm not taking my bra off. But if I had this, obviously I'd wear a strapless bra. The thing about cold shoulder is anything in my wardrobe that's cold shoulder, I'll still wear. I'm reluctant to buy cold shoulder because I don't think we're going to be wearing this for very long. So I don't think I'm going to get the multi-year wear out of that. £35. Yeah, I don't know that I'm going to get £35 year's wear out of it. And what's this? This is a winter dress. This is a thicker dress, and this is by Closet. I got a blouse from Closet, the Closet brand, last time. I think this is too similar to something I've already got, actually. This dress, it's very, very snug, slim fit. My husband loves it. It's got a nice slit at the side here. There. It's definitely winter weight. And, so it would be fine with heels and, tights. It's a good midi length on me, I think. My husband loves the dresses. I should get rid of the one I've got. That's very similar. I just keep this. But no, that would be a waste of money. I think it's a lovely shape, flattering dress. But because I've already got something that's for the winter in a similar colour and length, that's also long sleeves, I really don't need this. But if I didn't have, I would be keeping it. There's no point in having, it's nice, but there's just no point in having two the same. And there are some white jeans. I think I'm a little bit over white jeans in that I've got plenty. But these are Capri, and they're from Oasis. The Capri white jeans, that's different. I don't have Capri white jeans. So this is the white Capris. So I'll show you them with this little yellow blouse. And these are Oasis, these Capris. And on me, I'm 5'1", so I'm going to have to just tuck them up underneath. But they're a very good fit. I'm a size 10, and there's no gaping here. And they are fitting nice and snugly. They're lycra. They're going to stretch out a bit. So I wouldn't want a bigger size for that reason. And although I have white jeans, I don't have Capris. So with a bit of tucking up underneath at the leg length, I think these would be quite good. So the recap. My stylist was Heather. I have decided I'm not going to keep this top here, which is from Warehouse in the size 10. Both John and I think this style is too young for me. I think the fit's too young. And John thinks the style's too young with all this frill, so I don't agree about that. I do think cold shoulder is something I'm not currently buying, so that is going to return. Tools, floral Breton, which I will keep because I will get a lot of wear out of that. That Breton is £29.95. Fits, I like those. I like Joules. It's very hard for me to find a Breton at Joules that it's my colour scheme. So yes, that's a keep. Which I will keep because they fit me, and I find it hard to find trousers that fit around the hips and at the same time fit around the waist without any gaping. The style is such that I can easily just roll up underneath to get the capri length that I want, and if not, then they're ankle braces on me, aren't they? So I think that's a nice pair of trousers that I will get a lot of wear out of until we're all in boot cut. Sorry, those are £38. The closet dress in burgundy, long sleeved bodycon dress, £65. I won't. In the winter when we're wearing, you know, where you want to wear something warm, you're going indoors and you've got heating on. So the occasions where I would need a dress like that, where I'm going to be outside, are so rare. I am not going to get £65 worth of wear out of it. So yeah, that's it. It's the weight of a coat. That doesn't make it right to me. So that's what I don't want. And I was in two minds over this. God, I love it. Absolutely love it. My issue was the material and whether I would get the wear out of it. But we both like it enough and have talked through the sort of times I would wear it, and I think that, you know, it would work. So I would get £74, £99 worth of wear out of that over a few years. And I think it would look nice with some black boots and brown boots as well, with just the position of the chiffon and the frill at the bottom with boots. It's just, I think that's quite edgy. You could actually put brown polo neck I could put underneath it in the winter to give me long sleeves. That's an interesting idea. Of the items, so that was 74, that dress, the leopard print dress, and that's a size small. And it's Soaked in Luxury is the brand, and it's called the Eastern Una Mesh Wrap. I would have had a styling fee deduction, which I'll get anyway. I would have got a 20% discount, which would have taken it to 194, less the styling fee deduction, 184. Delivery's free. I'm returning 100. So instead of it being 242 without the discount, because I obviously won't get that 20% discount, it's going to come, those three things are going to come to 142, which 75 is the wrap dress anyway. So those three things, the capri pants, the Joules top, and the wrap dress, 142. Down below will be a link that will give you a discount. I hope you have as much pleasure as I have out of mine. So Heather, yes, thank you very much, and I will see you again in a couple of months' time, Heather, or any other stylist, Stitch Fix, because I do this every other month. Now, if you've enjoyed my fix, then you might want your own, link below, and separately subscribe to me, and also give me a thumbs up. And the reason for subscribing, I do other boxes as well in the UK, so if you're in the UK, then my unboxings might be useful to you. I do shopping and videos on books and on makeup and beauty and so on as well. I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching.